this is the Cherai beach actually.
Yes.
And
Enjoying the sea. How are you feeling?
also
Yes, really. We are entering Club Mahindra Cherai Resort.
hi all, welcome back to our channel, The Adorables. So we are back again with another trip, and this time we are going to Kochi via Cherai. So actually we are going to stop at Cherai. We have Club Mahindra Cherai booked there. So from there we will be visiting Athirapalli Falls and Kochi and all. So distance is showing 516 kilometers from here, and it's showing 10 hours it will take for us to reach, and the time is 3:30 for now.
Yeah, let's start. So while going, we'll tell you about the routes and other details as usual. So stay tuned. So you're starting at around 3:30.
Okay.
So time is 4:04 p.m. and here we are at the Hosur toll. So we started at 3:30. So around 35 minutes it took. Thankfully we started at 3:30. That's why it took only 35 minutes. If you remember our last few couple of vlogs, this took almost 1.5 hours to cross this toll. So thanks to our timing. What say, Priyanka?
Yeah.
So time is 5:08 p.m. So we have just reached Krishnagiri. So it took almost 1 hour 40 minutes. Just to give you a route update. Anyways, the route we are taking, I have not given that update also. The route we are taking is Hosur Road through Hosur, Salem. From Salem we will take the Coimbatore route. So via Erode, Coimbatore, then Palakkad, Thrissur, then we will reach Cherai. So this is the route we are taking. Just a quick route update from Hosur till Krishnagiri. There are multiple new diversions that has been created. Though the diversions, the road conditions are good, but the problem is that it's too much of traffic. So it takes a little bit longer time than expected to from Hosur till Krishnagiri. So I think there are 5 or 6 diversions we got where flyovers are being made. So that will take up some of your time nowadays if you're planning now. Yeah. Let's see. So time is 5:40 and we are crossing Dharmapuri. So Krishnagiri to Dharmapuri कितना आधा घंटा लगा? 5:10 से हाँ, yes, half an hour it took from Krishnagiri to Dharmapuri. Good road, traffic है.
So time is
6:40.
6:40 and we reached Salem.
Yes. So it took us almost how much? 3 hours 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Huge traffic and as I told, lots of diversions in that Hosur to Krishnagiri stretch. And there was too much of traffic also. But still we reached on time. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं. How is it?
अभी तक बारिश नहीं हुई till now, but we don't know when it's going to start.
So this is the toll of Salem.
क्या?
So as you can see, here we are exiting the NH44 and entering the NH544, which will take us through Erode, Coimbatore, Palakkad, and then we will join the NH66 in just before Kochi. So this is the NH544 we are taking. We have exited Salem town and going towards Coimbatore. So the time is 6:55 p.m. Exited Salem city and going towards Coimbatore.
It's looking lovely, ना?
Lovely, yeah,
Actually
it's
बहुत
looking
अच्छा लग
very
रहा है.
lovely. Actually, Salem town is completely surrounded by
This
hills, as you can
mountains,
see.
ना?
Yes.
Yeah.
It looks very nice.
Yeah.
So time is 8:50 p.m. and here we are crossing. Matlab we have reached Coimbatore, so we will take the bypass and we will bypass Coimbatore. Next Palakkad. I think Palakkad will have a break. So another 60 kilometers to Palakkad. So here it is. Straight the left goes towards the Coimbatore city, and straight we have taken the Coimbatore bypass.
So time is 10 and we crossed the Tamil Nadu border and we entered Kerala. So from here Kochi is still 122 kilometer, and I'm going to show you as soon as we almost entered, just few minutes back only, it started raining heavily. You want to say something?
No, we expected rains in Kerala, and Kerala greeted us with rain,
Heavy rain.
heavy rains. I think it is a little bit subdued now. But let's see how it's going in more.
So time is 10:25 and we reached Palakkad. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग डिनर करने वाले हैं. बहुत अच्छी जगह है, बहुत सारा एक्चुअली रेस्टोरेंट है यहाँ पे. तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू. एज आई टोल्ड यू राइट, यहाँ पे आनंद भवन भी है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द संचारी बाई शेफ पिल्लाई. सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो टू दिस वन. सो लेट्स गो. So we are going to have a food here, Sanchari by Chef Pillai. So let's go inside. So this is inside the restaurant.
Nice, huh?
It's a huge restaurant, no?
It's actually a pretty famous one by Chef Pillai. If you search restaurants with the name by Chef Pillai, you will find it is in Kochi, it is in Palakkad. So this is basically Sanchari Palakkad, Sanchari by Chef Pillai Palakkad. You can find it in all the places almost in Kerala. Very nice interior.
It's very nice. Yeah. So they have actually lots in the menu. So we're just trying to decide what we're going to order. So we wanted to try that biryani. It's not there, right?
Unfortunately, we came here, but biryani is not available. So let me tell you, this is right bang on the highway in Palakkad. So once you cross into the Palakkad town, almost at the end, you will find this on the left hand side. A huge one, huge parking space, very clean, neat toilets and all. Everything is available. And I think EV charging is also there. I saw that.
EV charging is there.
There's and everything is available. It's a huge area. So we tried for the biryani, unfortunately not available. So we ordered for
Paratha.
Kerala parotha we ordered. Some Kerala chicken roast, and as usual
fish.
when we are in Kerala we have ordered fish. So let's see how it is. So food आ चुका है. Priyanka is extremely excited. So let's see.
देखिए बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
This is kingfish. This is kingfish and there's some chicken item.
This is what that Kerala chicken roast, right?
हाँ, केरला चिकन रोस्ट. कुछ और नाम था शायद इसका.
नहीं यही था, केरला चिकन रोस्ट ही था. This is the kingfish.
जैसे kingfish. इसका भी कुछ और एक नाम था शायद.
Ikura tawa fry.
Ikura
Tawa fry. And this is
And
Kerala.
this is the Kerala paratha.
Priyanka is very excited, though she is little upset.
हाँ, बिरयानी नहीं मिला. मतलब केरला आए और हम लोग मलाबार बिरयानी ट्राई नहीं किया. बट एनीवेज हमारे पास टाइम है अभी.
हाँ, we still have 2 days.
बहुत गर्म है एक्चुअली.
चलो अब खा के बोलो.
वेरी और पैकेजिंग. अच्छा है टेस्ट, थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप का है. गुड. चलो खाते हैं.
चलो. तो प्रियंका, tell me.
हाँ, तो पराठा तो बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने मलाबार पराठा स्पेशली, मतलब जैसे होता है इन लोगों का एक्चुअल प्रॉपर मलाबार पराठा, ये वैसा है. एंड द चिकन इज जस्ट ऑसम. तो मैंने पूछा, हम लोगों ने पूछा इन लोगों से, दिस इज प्रिपेयर्ड ऑफ कोकोनट ऑयल. तो पर आपको कोकोनट ऑयल का कोई स्मेल नहीं आएगा अलग से.
माइंड यू,
समझ नहीं
प्रियंका
आएगा.
डजंट लाइक कोकोनट ऑयल एट
मैं
ऑल.
जनरली आई डोंट लाइक द स्मेल ऑफ कोकोनट ऑयल, पर ये मतलब इट्स सरप्राइजिंगली इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड ऑफ कोकोनट ऑयल ओनली. बट बिल्कुल भी स्मेल नहीं आएगा. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया गया ये जो केरला का प्रिपरेशन है, बहुत ही अच्छा है. इट्स टू गुड. तो अभी तक तो खाना अच्छा है.
चलो, serve it. तो वी हैव गॉट वन मोर आइटम.
डेजर्ट.
ये क्या है?
ये पन्ना कोटा है, पर दैट इज मेड ऑफ कोकोनट मिल्क एक्चुअली.
ओके,
तो ट्राई करते हैं.
दैट्स लुक्स डिलीशियस.
या लुक्स डिलीशियस. अच्छा है एक्चुअली. इट्स नाइस. So different is the taste. So time is 11:15 and we are starting to Cherai after having a very nice dinner.
Very nice. Really, it was very nice.
Yeah.
You
So-
should try it out.
हाँ.
So
it's
basically, if you put Les Skydine, we actually put that restaurant name only, Les Skydine restaurant. So they have just taken it over. I think Les Skydine has been closed and it has been taken over with the Chef Pillai. So the Chef Pillai is basically a highway concept restaurants. It is also there in Chennai and Bangalore is what we came to know. And it's a famous restaurant chain which I knew. I thought it was only in Kerala. No, it is there in Bangalore and Chennai
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
So they have just taken it over. So you can put it Les Skydine restaurant. But I think Chef Pillai is also marked. Just before Palakkad. This is there on the left hand side. Very nice, clean, huge toilet, EV charging and all. And the food is
Food is awesome.
awesome.
Yeah. So it's still 118 kilometer from here
Yes.
to Cherai, Club Mahindra. So it's showing 2 hours 28 minutes and 145 is the ETA to reach. So let's see how is the road and how is the weather conditions there.
Yeah.
So let's start.
Chalo. We have taken the State Highway 51, as you can see. Pretty nice road actually. Kerala roads have improved a lot, I must say. Pretty desolate road, but completely laced with houses and people living across. But since it is night, thoda khali hai.
So time is 1:20 and we reached Club Mahindra Cherai. So it's quite late at night. So we'll be showing you the entire resort tomorrow. So this is the resort. Actually, as I told, right, tomorrow morning we'll be showing you clearly. So this is what is our kind of cottage. And as soon as you enter, you have a seating area here. And yeah, you have a clothes dryer also. You have the seating area. I don't know, I think it's not visible now. And then you enter. Yeah, this is a seating area here. Sofa, table is there.
Dining table.
Yeah, dining table. This is the TV unit. There's a window. There is another window. This is the bed. Yeah, architecture. I want to show you that wooden typical Kerala style, like पुराना दिन का जो घर होता है. It's like that.
लगेगा नहीं कि आप इस resort में हो, आपको लगेगा
हाँ.
कि मतलब एकदम vintage घर में हो.
हाँ, vintage घर में
That's
हो.
how it looks like.
Yeah, and yeah, this is a bed. यहाँ पे like wardrobe is there. This is a tea and coffee machine. Fridge is there. This is the dressing unit. This is the bathroom. Yeah, hair dryer is there. Yeah, they have given everything here. Toiletries and all. Here you have the shower area. Again, they have given everything here. This is a wardrobe. Yeah. Safety locker is there. Yeah. So this is all about here. You can see the room from here. So, chalo fir. Good night for today. It's already late. I think 1:30 almost. By the time we checked in. Yeah, very tired. तो फिर कल मिलते हैं and we'll show you where we are going. Till then, bye. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
तो आज है हमारा day 2
Yes.
चराई में
Yes.
and first day of our trip.
And surprisingly, as you can see sun. We
Yeah.
never expected this.
Yeah, it was completely raining, but
Yeah.
good that
It was
we
having
got to
an
see some.
orange and yellow alert, I think, last week.
Yeah,
And
right.
it's, you see, it's sun. It's completely beating. It's not very hot though. मतलब it's nice cool breeze blowing, and the sun is also cloud में ढका हुआ sun है, so it's pretty okay.
Yeah. Okay, let us show you
let
the
us show
resort.
You,
Hi. So, as you come here, this is the Cherai beach actually,
yeah. Yes.
and so we'll go to the Cherai beach later.
Yeah.
Just beside the Cherai beach, this is opposite. This is Club Mahindra.
Yes. This is the road you can see, and that's the entry to Club Mahindra. So let us show you the entire Club Mahindra. We'll take a round. So as you can see, we are entering Club Mahindra Cherai Resort. Bang on the road, opposite to the sea. So here is a small shower area. After sea, you can come to the shower area. This is the huge parking spot, as you can see. Few cars are parked here. What is that on the right side?
Which one?
That one? These are some rooms, I think. Yeah.
Small
So this is a small water pond.
pond type, small pond type, but there is a small
I think there is a fountain also over here which is not running right now. There's a small bridge over there. You can see fishes also in this. Very nice, right? So this is the main reception. This is the reception and the main lobby. Let's go ahead. You cross the reception, there's a small play area for children, and all these sides are the cottages, and there are many things over there. So let's just go and show you. As you can see, lobby, restaurant on this side, fun zone, Swastha Spa. Yes, this resort is very famous for spa, right?
Yeah, right. So all over India, actually, people come at this time, this monsoon time, and they get like this Ayurvedic massage and all gets done.
Okay.
There are some packages available, so we are also going to check that out
Yep.
in some time.
So as you can see, swimming pool and houseboat. So let's go and show it. So there's the swimming pool, a nice serene one, and I don't know if you can see, there's a small cute houseboat. Priyanka, that's the houseboat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. Very nice small one. So they take you for a round of that backwater lakes, what you can see. Let's go in. So these sides are all the cottages. So right there in line, all the cottages. There are 4 cottages over here in each structures. So ground floor 2 and top floor 2. Nice one. I think that is the fishing area. We'll show you one by one. This is the restaurant just beside the pool, as you can see. And here is a closer look of the houseboat. Nice one. As you can see, the beautiful lakes. There are a few rooms which are here also, which is having the lake view. This is the spa actually, which is also beside the swimming pool, as you can see. And here is Priyanka enjoying the view.
This is the backwaters.
Yeah, this is the backwater. Beautiful, it's looking, right?
So as he told, right? So this is the houseboat, and it will give you a tour.
Yeah.
Of that, I think some 1 hour like that package is worth it.
Yes. This is privately owned by them, is what they told, right?
Yes.
They only operate this.
they
Yeah.
operate it.
Chal, let's show you something more.
And there are some cottages here.
Yeah, that's what I shown. Beautiful waters.
So this is the entry to our cottage. There's a small seating area here and you can dry your clothes here. तो वी जस्ट लेफ्ट आवर रिजॉर्ट एंड अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ब्रंच करने.
Yeah.
तो ब्रंच करके हम लोग वहाँ से अथिरापल्ली निकल जाएंगे. तो हम लोग जब जा रहे थे वी सॉ दिस रेस्टोरेंट वेव्स. इट्स अ वेरी गुड वन. मैं दिखाऊंगी. ऐसे सिटिंग है यहाँ पे. ये वेव्स जैसा नाम है वेव्स दिखेगा. हाँ वी कैन सिट इनसाइड ऑल्सो बट आई थिंक दिस विल बी बेटर क्योंकि थोड़ी बहुत गर्मी है धूप भी है पर हवा चल रही है. तो आई थिंक वी कैन सिट हियर. सो जस्ट लेट्स सी. एंड दिस इज द व्यू फ्रॉम द रेस्टोरेंट. वेव्स नाम है एक्चुअली. इट्स जस्टिफाइंग द नेम ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट आई गेस. यू कैन सी द बिग वेव्स कमिंग. बहुत बढ़िया ना. हाँ we'll sit here.
This place is really wonderful. Waves restaurant, as you can see. There's a table just by the seaside, and there's Priyanka. So we have received our mocktail, and Priyanka sipping and enjoying the sea. How are you feeling?
Also,
Yes, really.
very good. Actually, the good part is that today is a sunny day.
Yeah.
It is not raining. We were scared that it will be raining and we will not be able to see anything. So luckily it's not raining, but the good part is it's sunny. And at the same time there's a cool breeze.
Cool breeze. Yes.
So that's the reason we are not feeling.
And how's the view while having
View
food
is
and?
just awesome. You can see that you are having
Yeah.
this food with this view. It's like just like awesome. I hope
True.
it will be also good. So let's see and
The view. So this is the entire. This is called as Waves Restaurant. They have places there also. Look at the sea and have food. It's nice parking. And these are our outside places to sit. Chalo, let's enjoy our drink. So Priyanka was eagerly waiting for the food. I was also because we both are extremely hungry. And here comes the seafood platter minus squid. We have not taken squid because Priyanka don't take squid. That's kingfish, prawns and squid is not there. कैसा है जरा टेस्ट करके बताइए. Looks good ना?
yeah, looks good.
And the view, oh.
It's very hot.
हाँ. So
Yeah. इसका जो मसाला है अच्छा है. Spice is good, but ये मुझे थोड़ा hard लग रहा है. Fish.
okay, not fresh huh?
हाँ
Probably.
मुझे लग रहा है इतना ज़्यादा फ्रेश नहीं. कैन ट्राई एंड सी. तो मुझे थोड़ा हार्ड लगा. टेस्ट इज गुड बट यार आई टोल्ड हिम
But with this view, everything is good. Yeah.
बट चलो ठीक है.
I think by this time, I think अपना बिरयानी भी अभी आ चुका है. ये she is trying the prawn. Let's see how is it.
Prawn is good. एकदम proper केरला मसाला. It's very good.
Good.
Let's
We'll try the biryani later. Let me also now have my food.
So Ronnie will try the biryani and he will tell.
It looks good. 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 It's Kerala style only. Masala is good. Let me have the chicken. It's good.
And how was the food overall?
But we have taken much better.
Much better biryani, right? That's what I was also thinking after having it.
It's good, not bad. View is making everything good.
या वो सब कुछ ये कॉम्पेंसेट कर रहा है ये व्यू.
Compensating everything. चलो, let's have.
Yeah.
So this ends our Kochi trip part 1 vlog. Stay tuned to see our trip to Athirapalli Falls in our next part. Till then, bye, take care, do like our video and subscribe to our channel.